everyone, today in this video we will explain how to do a series of basic acrobatics. For them we will explain how to do it step by step to avoid injuries and performing it the best way.
Doing a handstand, as we all know, means standing in an inverted upright position, holding the surface with your hands. To be able to do this, we will need to have enough strength and coordinate our entire body. It seems easy, but it can be very frustrating for beginners because we need a necessary prior preparation. The first step, without which we will not be able to advance, is concentration and have our mind clear of worries. Otherwise, we will not obtain progress. That previous preparation consists of a series of stretchings, exercises, and movements. Mobilization of the wrists and shoulders, especially to avoid injuries, since the weight of our body rests on our hands. Various types of push-ups to strengthen our arms and shoulders and be able to support the weight of our body. Wall climbing. We already have the strength, mobility, and stability of the torso, so to try to do a handstand, we must start getting used to that posture that we maintain when we do a handstand. The simplest way to learn how to do it is to get into position with the help of our feet. It is like doing a handstand, but in reverse. Once the previous exercises have been carried out several times, we can begin with the steps that we must follow to do a handstand. If this is the first time, it is best to have a support wall for greater safety and not to fall. We raise our arms. It is very important that they are tight and stretched to have stability and not fall down. Second, we step forward with one leg and bend it to push ourselves up. Third, we rest our hands on the ground with our arms well stretched, and with the other leg, we give ourselves a little push. Fourth, the last step is to raise the other leg to the same height that we have the other one, and we put them together. The wheel is an easy exercise to perform, but it requires proper technique to avoid injury. First, stand straight, back straight, and raise your arms straight up. Second, we take a step with one leg forward and push ourselves, resting our hand on the ground, lifting the other leg in the process. These two steps would be like the first steps on the handstand on vertical. So we should know how to do the vertical to be able to learn well how to make the wheel. In the third step, we try to stay vertical as in the handstand, although on the side and with the legs, in this case, separated. Fourth, the last step is to land upright with your arms stretched out just as we started. It is important to have different reference points to know where we should fall and how we should position ourselves in each step. This is all for today. We hope you liked it, especially that you have learned the steps and some tips of some of the basic gymnastic acrobatics, and you use them often as they help us strengthen our muscles and learn to coordinate in a correct way our whole body. Thank you very much. See you in another time.